Welsh Show!
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Scrutinising them. They've done fantastically well. Please put your hands together and show your appreciation for what these boys have done today at the Royal Welsh Show. Come on, you can do better than that. Come on. That's the way. That's the way. That's it. Joshua is taking a bow look. Well done. That's the way.
You've just got to put it the opposite way. It sits really nice like that. It's just the way you've still got the curve. I'm sure it was obviously intentional, wasn't it? Obviously.
Of course it was.
Spent months designing really happy those angles.
Belt back as well, right?
Can I welcome you all? Thank you very much indeed for such a wonderful turnout. I'd like to welcome our Royal Welsh Lady Ambassador. We had a very good turnout for all of the classes. The jewellery section continues to grow, albeit a little hesitancy, but I think in Murray we've made a good contact for next year. The blacksmithing classes were very well filled. Some of the student classes were a little thin, but that was made up by the amount of entries in the main classes and in the live, because we have a very big presence missing from the Royal Welsh this year. And I'm talking about Richard Jones, R.C. Jones, who has supported us for the past 20 years, both as a competitor and both as a helper. And not only that, he was a great supporter of the craft of blacksmithing, and he was a big man, big in all the best possible ways, and he's left a big hole in all our lives that will be very difficult to fill. But I'm sure he's here, watching and smiling. I stuttered over the Lady Ambassador's title, and I would ask you just to join me in a few seconds reflection on our debt impact to Mr. Jones, to Richard Jones. So if you bear with me for a moment. Thank you very much indeed. Now, I'm going to hand over to our Assistant Honorary Director. Did I get your title right, Stephen? Stephen Pugh. Near enough. So, Stephen is going to do the presentations.
On behalf of the Royal Welsh, I thank you all. So we'll come to the results. And in Class 7, which is the open class, the 4th place are Henry Poulter with a mirror. And in 3rd place, Paul Gilbert with his door knocker.
He's not there either.
In 2nd place, Joshua Delisle with his door latch. And in 1st place, Neil Gossett with his pine cone table. I know Neil was going to come today, but unfortunately he can't be with us, so Adrian will correct it.
I'm better looking than Neil anyway.